Welcome to Monday's Financial News Review powered by Centrefix, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest market news and insights.
Tesla had a strong rally last Friday, closing up 4.7% at $298.26, driven by optimism surrounding the trade deals and speculation about potential tariff reductions on Chinese imports. The Nikkei index traded at around $37,500 on Monday, with Japanese shares scaling 6-week highs, as the U.S. cited substantial progress in trade negotiations with China over the weekend in Switzerland. Gold traded below $3,280 per ounce on Monday, as strong U.S. labor data, including low unemployment claims, reduced expectations for aggressive Federal Reserve rate cuts, keeping gold prices elevated. The Japanese yen weakened past 146 per dollar on Monday, marking a fresh one-month low, as optimism over U.S.-China trade negotiations dampened demand for safe haven assets. Bitcoin traded at around $104,000 this Monday, driven by record-breaking inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs, which have reached an all-time high of $40 billion, signaling strong institutional demand. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 10:30 a.m., India to release the annual inflation rate for April, following 3.3% in March. At 6 p.m., the monthly budget statement in the U.S. is expected to increase, after reaching a deficit of $161 billion in March. At 11 p.m., the UK will release figures for the annual retail sales of April, following 0.9% in March. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 6 a.m., the UK to release the unemployment rate for March, following 4.4% in February. At 9 a.m., the Economic Sentiment Index in Germany is expected to increase, after reaching -14 in April. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the annual inflation rate of April, following 2.4% in March.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Centrefix. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news. We wish you a productive trading week.